So hard, put 'em up for the Niners. Yeah, the city right behind you. Who the 5-time NFL Super Bowl champs? Could you please remind them?
Okay, hey YouTube, Joking Asian here. Got another treat from Dad Old here. He got a box of 2009 Platinum, and he got a box of some assorted autographs that I don't know what autographs are in here, but he chose them, so we're gonna go ahead and open this one first. Okay. Alright, getting everyone into the hobby now, which is a good thing. Okay, so there's the invoice. Oh, dang. Dang, that's a lot of stuff. Alright, so here are a bunch of assorted autographs. Looks like patches. I see a letter patch right there, and just a whole bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Damn, that much, man. Okay, let's see. First off, we have a Loot Stalker letter patch autograph, 26 out of 75. Got the letter E, Luke Stalker. Got another one here as a Armin Bins, 8 out of 100. The letter A. Those are from Upper Deck 2012, I believe. Yeah, 2011. Next up, we have a Stephen Ridley on card, 76 out of 170. NFL manufactured draft patch, 2011. On card. Wow, this is really nice. Dang. And then we have a Jamie Harper. It's a quad jersey autograph, 401 out of 515. This is a level 6 relic. 2 different colors. Jamie Harper. Then we have Vincent Brown autograph, 43 out of 50 from Topps Prime. And then we have another Vincent Brown. Wow, this is a jumbo patch. Yeah, 4-color jumbo patch, 281 out of 475. Dang, that's a nasty patch there. Dang. Okay, on to the second team bag. Off Daniel Thomas. This is a on-card autograph, 16 out of 260. Daniel Thomas from Rising Rookies. Ooh, an Asante Samuel autograph, 2012 Rookies and Stars. You don't see too many of his stuff. 20 out of 20. And my dad was saying it's the only one he saw. And yeah, he doesn't sign a lot. He doesn't sign a lot of stuff, so that's pretty crazy. 20 out of 20, Asante Samuel autograph. And then we have everyone's favorite. Oh, dang. I didn't see that. I just saw Bilo Powell. But here's a dual autograph. We have 1-color patch and a 3-color patch on the bottom, Daniel Thomas. And this is 23 out of 25. This is actually my first dual patch, dual autograph card, so might have to hang on to that one. That's very nice. And then we have a Clyde Gates manufactured Dolphins patch autograph from Rookies and Stars, and this is numbered 9 out of 10. Barely hitting his jersey number. So dang, got some nice stuff here. So let's go on to the second pack. There's a lot of stuff, man. Shane Vereen, manufactured patch autograph from Rookies and Stars, NFL patch, the logo patch. 25 out of 25, 23 out of 25. Oh, that's really nice. Then we have another Clyde Gates jersey autograph, Rookies and Stars, and this is 32 out of 50. And then, oh, here's a nice one, Kendall Hunter. This is an on-card autograph, rookie ticket from Contenders. So that's pretty nice. That one's not numbered. And then we have a Josh Portis. And this one has a sticker. This one doesn't have a sticker, which is really odd. And then this one does. So I don't know. Might have to look into that. It's kind of weird. But it says autograph is guaranteed. Got the COA there, so that's weird. I'm not sure if Contenders has a on card and a sticker version of that card, but might have to look into that. Here's David Harris. That's nice. David Harris, the outstanding linebacker for the Jets. It's 1 out of 75 autograph jersey. Don't see too many of his stuff either. That's pretty nice. Here's a Marty Gilliard, 186 out of 499. Topps Prime quad jersey autograph. Then we have a Anthony McCoy. That's pretty nice too. Seahawks logo manufactured patch autograph. And this is 152 out of 299. Then we have a Aaron Hernandez autograph. That's really nice right there. 254 out of 549. Aaron Hernandez. So okay, second team bag of pack number 2. Damian Williams. It's a ball and 2-color patch. Rookie autograph. 8 out of 15. Sweet. James Hardy. Dual jersey autograph. 252 out of 300. Topps finest. Garrett Graham. This is a rookie autograph and green parallel 5 out of 10. Garrett Graham. Another Damian Williams RPM. 2 different color jerseys and the ball with some letters on it. Autograph. 2010 Absolute. This is 49 out of 299. We have an Eric Ainge, Jets manufactured patch autograph. 206 out of 271. And the last card out of this box is a Derek Ross autograph. Pretty old school 2006 threads. And this is 603 out of 999. Got a little refracting going on, so that's pretty nice. So man, that was a lot of stuff right there. A lot of good stuff over there. A lot of letter patches. I really like that Aaron Hernandez. So that was a crazy sorted amount of autographs and patches and jerseys. So let's go ahead and open up this box of platinum. Let's see what we get from this. Platinum, one of my favorite sets. So what's this? Topps Player Collection continues in 2009. Big Ben in the front. It's a Topps Player Collection checklist. Okay. So we got Tom Brady, Ronnie Brown, Jared Allen, and here's a nice Andre Brown rookie card And a Crabtree rookie card. I don't have this one yet, so this would be my first. That's very nice. I'm just gonna slide through the base cards. Barton, who's that? Ramses Barton, wow. And Brian Cushing. Here's a Brett Bomar, or I think it's Rhett Bomar. Thick rookie variation refractor. This is 449 out of 1549. The thick rookie variation of that card. Brian Robisky and Derek Williams. Some of these players are older. I don't remember who they are. There's a Glenn Coffey rookie card. And a Brendan Pettigrew. This is the white border variation. 39 out of 499. Refractor. White refractor. That's nice. Here's a fatty, so this might be the patch. Here's a Tyson Jackson, I believe. Tyson Jackson, yeah, rookie card. Oh, nope. Okay. Aaron Curry, the rookie, the variation, thick variation, 106 out of 1549. And a James Laurinaitis rookie card. Brian Hartline, rookie, and a Tom Bradstetter rookie. It's a Stephen McGee rookie card, and a Rashad Jennings white refractor, 343 out of 499. Oh, and here's our patch autograph, and it is a Brandon Marshall. That's nice. 2-color patch. Brandon Marshall, very nice, and this is 10 out of 25. Sweet. 10 out of 25. Okay, so you take 10 minus 25, 15. That's his jersey number. Not a big deal, but I like the serial numbers, and I think it's kind of unique if you do some stuff to it. But hey, that's nice, Brandon Marshall, 2-color patch autograph. That's Jared Dillard. Yep, Jared Dillard. Okay, rookie, and then a Gartrell Johnson rookie card. So that was a nice little hit right there, Brandon Marshall. It's Lewis Murphy rookie card and a Stephen McGee refractor, 315 out of 999. And this is the black refractor, I believe. The black one, okay. Here's a Hakeem Nicks thick variation rookie card. That's pretty nice. 326 out of 1549. Just the numbering is just ridiculous. But here's a Nate Davis rookie and a Hakeem Nicks rookie. So you got the regular rookie and then the variation. There's a Smith. Dang. Jason Smith. Yeah, I'm trying to remember the names. It's a Sammy Stroughter refractor. 14 out of 999. Chase Kaufman rookie, and a Deion Butler rookie. Randy Moss. Say Julian Edelman, and a Donald Brown refractor, 38 out of 999. Still missing 2 autographs. So Sean Nelson and Rashad Jennings rookie. Kenny Britt, Percy Harvin rookie. Sean Green rookie, and a Johnny Knox rookie. And then we have a Aaron Curry autograph. So that's one of the autographs. Autograph refractor, 190 out of 350. So Aaron Curry, and another Crabtree rookie card. And then our last autograph is Derek Williams, 107 out of 350. Derek Williams, rookie autograph refractor. And a Andre Brown rookie again. So we got 6 more packs remaining. Mike Wallace rookie, and Noshawn Moreno rookie. Lots of nice rookie cards. Aaron Curry and Josh Freeman rookie. Oh, those are pretty nice. Brian Robisky, thick variation, 2/14/49. Mark Sanchez rookie, and Brian Orakpo. Nice. Tyson Jackson, 250 out of 1549. Brandon Gibson and Sammy Strotter rookie. Mike Goodson and Donald Brown rookies. And on to our last pack. Brandon Jacobs, Javon Ringer, and Mike Thomas rookie card. Okay, so let me see. Let's take a little recap here. So we got a bunch of nice rookies and refractors and thick variation cards, and then we had the Derek Williams at a 350. Aaron Curry out of 350. And then the hit out of that box was the Brandon Marshall 2-color patch autograph out of 25. And then and then we got the other ones that you guys can probably just look back if you forget. I'll just do it anyway. Okay, Shane Vereen, Derek Ross, Vincent Brown, Eric Ainge. Another Vincent Brown out of 50. Here's a Jamie Harper, Stephen Ridley, Aaron Binns, Luke Stalker, Clyde Gates, Bilal Powell, Daniel Thomas duel, Asante Samuel, Daniel Thomas, Damian Williams, RPM. Garrett Graham, Green Parallel, or Emerald Parallel. James Hardy. Damian Williams. Aaron Hernandez. Anthony McCoy. Marty Gilliard. David Harris. Kendall Hunter. And Josh Portis. So that was it for today's crazy surprise. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what's for trade and what's for sale. I'll probably put some of these up, but then I'll get back to you guys with the video, maybe probably tomorrow or within the next few days. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.
That's Smith crack. That's Smith crack.